The inspiring story of Cataluna Enriquez. A journey of courage, identity, and dreams. This is the powerful and inspiring story of Cataluna Enriquez, a woman who proved that no dream is too big and no identity is wrong. Her journey is about courage, self-love, and breaking barriers in a world that often says no. This is not just the story of a beauty queen. This is the story of a fighter, a dreamer, and a history maker. Early life, a child who felt different. Cataluna Enriquez was born in the Philippines. Her childhood was not easy. Her family did not have a lot of money, and life was full of struggles. When she was still young, her family moved to the United States, hoping for a better future. Growing up, Cataluna always felt different inside. While the world saw her one way, her heart told her another story. She knew she was a girl, even when people around her did not understand. School life was very difficult. Other children teased her. Some laughed at her voice. Some made fun of the way she walked. Some told her she didn't belong anywhere. Those words hurt deeply. Imagine being a child and feeling like you don't fit in, not at home, not at school, not in society. But even during those painful days, Cataluna had something special inside her, a quiet strength. The pain of rejection. As she grew older, the challenges became bigger. It was not just teasing anymore. There was discrimination. There were people who judged her without knowing her. There were doors that closed before she could even knock. Sometimes she felt lonely. Sometimes she cried. Sometimes she wondered why life was so hard for her. But every time she fell, she stood up again. Instead of hiding who she was, she slowly started to accept herself. She began her journey of transition, choosing to live as her true self. This was not an easy decision. It meant facing the world with honesty, even when the world was not kind. But that choice changed everything. Learning to love herself. Cataluna realized something important. She could not wait for the world to accept her if she did not accept herself first. She started wearing clothes that made her feel confident. She practiced speaking with pride. She walked with her head a little higher each day. And during this time, she discovered a passion, fashion design. She loved fabrics, colors, and styles. She began learning how to sew. At first, she made simple clothes. Slowly, her designs became more beautiful and more professional. Fashion became more than a hobby. It became her voice. Through dresses and gowns, she expressed her identity, culture, and dreams. A dream she never planned. Cataluna never imagined she would enter beauty pageants. She once thought pageants were only about physical beauty. But when she learned more, she saw something different. She saw confidence, communication, purpose, and the power to inspire others. She decided to try. Her first pageant experience was not easy. She did not have rich sponsors. She did not have expensive dresses. She did not have a big team helping her. But she had determination. She did not win at first. But she did not quit. She learned. She improved. She practiced walking, speaking, and presenting herself with confidence. Step by step, she grew stronger. turning skill into power. Because pageant gowns are very expensive, Cataluna made a bold decision: she would design her own dresses. While others wore designer gowns, she wore her own creations. Every stitch carried her story. Every bead carried her struggle. Every design carried her pride. People began to notice her talent. Her gowns were unique, colorful, and meaningful. Soon, she started her own fashion brand. She designed dresses not only for herself but also for others. What started as a need became a business and a symbol of independence. She was no longer just surviving. She was creating her future. A life-changing victory. Then came a big moment. Cataluna entered a major state beauty pageant competition. This was different from her earlier contests. This stage was larger. The audience was bigger. The pressure was higher. Many people doubted her. Some believed a transgender woman did not belong in such competitions. But Cataluna walked onto that stage with confidence. She wore a stunning gown she designed herself, inspired by pride, identity, and hope. She did not just want to look beautiful. She wanted to send a message: I belong here. When the winners were announced, something historic happened. Cataluna Enriquez won the title. She became the first openly transgender woman to win that state pageant crown. The crowd cheered. Cameras flashed. But the most powerful moment was the message her victory sent around the world: dreams do not belong to one gender. Opportunities should not be limited by identity. More than a crown, winning the crown was not just a personal success. It was a moment of visibility for the transgender community. Young people who felt invisible suddenly saw someone like them standing on a big stage, wearing a crown, smiling with pride. Cataluna used her platform to speak about important issues: self-acceptance, mental health, bullying, equality, representation. She shared her struggles openly so others would feel less alone. She reminded people that beauty is not just about appearance. True beauty comes from courage, honesty, and kindness. Words that inspire. Cataluna often says that her victory is not just hers. It belongs to everyone who ever felt different. Everyone who was told, you can't. Everyone who cried alone at night but still woke up and tried again. She encourages people to love themselves fully, even if the world does not understand them yet. Her message is simple but powerful: be proud of who you are. Your existence is not a mistake. Breaking barriers. Before Cataluna, many transgender women did not see themselves represented in traditional beauty pageants. The rules, the systems, and society often made it difficult. But by standing on that stage and winning, she opened a door. She proved that change is possible. She proved that courage can rewrite history. She proved that representation matters. Because when one person breaks a barrier, thousands feel stronger. The human behind the crown, behind the makeup and gowns, is a woman who once felt scared and alone. A girl who cried because she didn't fit in. A young person who faced rejection but still chose love over hate. Her story reminds us that strength is not about never feeling pain. Strength is about continuing even when it hurts. A legacy of hope. Today, Catalina Enriquez is more than a beauty queen. She is a role model, a designer, a speaker, a symbol of progress. Her life teaches us, you can come from struggle and still rise. Your identity is something to celebrate, not hide. Dreams do not have gender. Being different is not weakness, it is power. Final message for viewer. If you are watching this and feeling different, if you feel like you don't belong, if the world has made you doubt yourself, remember Catalina's story. She was once a child who felt lost. She grew into a woman who changed history. Your journey may be hard now, but your story is not over. Believe in yourself. Love yourself. Stand tall in your truth. Because sometimes, the people who are told they don't belong are the ones who change the world the most. This is the story of Catalina Enriquez, a story of courage, identity, and the power of never giving up.